Doon South continues to be one of the most preferred areas by commuters and growing families. Minutes to 401, everyday essentials close by, natural trails, beautiful parks, and a strong sense of community. If that is what you are looking for in your next bigger home, this might be your move. If you like what you see and you are ready to take the next step, visit my website or contact me directly to book your private showing. Let's make your next move seamless.